So yeah, I'm exploring my speaking things
I'm Cameron Blair, and I'm the chair of the Toronto section for the Canadian Society for Civil Engineering. And what we have tonight is an event called Get Noticed, Get Hired. So the Toronto section has events all through the year for civil engineering students to attend through their student chapters, but also for industry people. And often we have them at either Ryerson or U of T. We toggle between the two. And often what I notice from the events is students will come up, or even industry people afterwards, and say, you know, I'm looking for a job. I've recently been laid off. I'm on the market again. Or maybe there's students that are graduating, or maybe looking for summer employment. So I thought, you know, we should have an event just targeted at these people. And how can they get noticed, and how can they get hired?
Well, my name is Mo Camley. I'm student chapter president for the CSE.
And what's the CSE?
CSE is the Canadian Society for Civil Engineering, and I've been running the student chapter for 2 years now. And what CSE is, it's pretty much the link of the students to the professional industry. So that's what we've been trying to do for the past 2 years.
My name is Samantha Vigro, and I'm the Human Resources Manager with RV Anderson Associates Limited, which is a civil engineering consulting firm that focuses on municipal and infrastructure work.
Wow. And what are you doing here tonight?
Answering questions from participants with regards to how to prepare for an interview, resume, cover letters, the types of things to anticipate when they have an interview.
So this is for students who are entering the marketplace, entering the industry.
I believe they are graduate students looking for it. They could be current students looking for summer work. I'm not really sure, to be honest.
Sure, yeah. So can you share with us something about some advice, I guess, to someone who is?
Well, I guess first of all, a resume and cover letter is very important. Even if you don't have any experience, a well-written cover letter that expresses an interest in the position, the company, is a really good start. I take the time to read every cover letter to see what it is about this person that makes me want to call them in for an interview. So that's very important. You know, making sure it's grammatically correct. You don't want spelling mistakes or anything along those lines. And if you are called in for an interview, you take some time to look at the company's website so you know exactly what the company is about. You can prepare some questions as well, because we always end an interview by asking the candidate, do you have any questions for us? And I think it's very important that they can say, oh, you know, I saw this on your website, what about this? Or I've heard this about your company, is this true? Or, you know, can you elaborate? It's when they look at you and say, no, I don't have any questions. Okay.
My name is Catherine Mora. I'm Human Resources with CH Hill.
CH Hill Canada is an engineering firm. We predominantly in Canada, we're a global firm, CH Hill. We have over 30,000 employees worldwide. In Canada, we probably have about 1,400 across the country.
And what is your role here tonight at this event?
I'm basically going to try and assist, and give advice to the students on how to best find a job and to look for a job and what to do in the interviews, and to let them know what type of questions to expect or what to expect if they're going to come to an engineering firm, if they get selected for an interview.
Can you give us, I guess over the last few years, have you seen any changes in the hiring process or patterns or trends in resumes? Or is it, can you speak to that? Or tell us about how it's stayed much the same? Or?
I think it's pretty much stayed the same. Maybe, I think the students are getting a little more savvy on, because we do use search engines on making sure that they've got the keywords in their in their resume based on what the job description is. You want to make it as short as you can, especially if you're a new grad and you don't have a lot of previous work experience. You don't have to have a super long resume. Your resume, you want to cater to the job that you're looking for.